Ma, I'm going to buy something.
What?
Credit.
Okay. My tablet is misbehaving.
What is wrong?
It is not turning on. Can you fix it?
Let me see. Have you charged it?
Yes, I charged it all night.
Okay. I will fix it, but it will take some time.
Okay.
And I also need the credit for an urgent call.
Really?
Yes.
Then hurry up.
Why don't you buy it for me while I fix your tablet?
Me?
Yes. By the time you return, I'll be done.
Me?
Besides, it's because of your tablet. I would have bought it myself.
Chai!
Here is your credit.
Thank you. Ma, can you please get me water to drink?
What?
I am very thirsty. Don't worry. I will fix the tablet. I will make it work again. Trust me.
Apostle, we hear of this. Yeah, this God.
Your water.
Thank you. Man, can you please throw the rubber away from me?
Jesus! You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Okay.
Oh my days. It's in yes. Yeah, is God.
Have you fixed it?
No. I don't know why it's not working.
Hey!
I have tried everything.
What?
I can't fix it.
Why didn't you tell me this at first?
I thought I could fix it.
Will you keep quiet?
You must fix it.
Okay, I will try again after making a phone call.
What?
Will you sit down? Look at him. You must fix it.
Let's take it to a repairer.
I will slap your soul.
You know what I need to tell you? No GCSE, no A level, you will end up in McDonald's. You will end up in McDonald's, that's what I meant. I really meant what I'm saying.
Are you done?
Not yet. Ma, please, can you go and buy me bread?
Jesus is
I'm very
Lord.
hungry. By the time you return, I will be done.